So how do you feel now?
Good, relaxed, much needed.
Okay. So what we
Meditation.
did right now,
Yeah.
we actually cleansed our chakras with the help of our own guides, and we closed them because we had to maintain the balance in the chakras. So we closed them and protected it from the outer energies. And throughout our process, we had our own guiding angels helping us and blessing us throughout the process.
Wonderful.
So I even see somebody's, one of your guardian angels' hands on your head, blessing you with lots of happiness, of course, and the rejuvenated energies that you need on day-to-day basis, all the positive energies.
Wonderful. So, Jyot and Payal, how were your experiences today? How are you feeling?
Very relaxing. And I actually went and met the golden beings of light,
Your
that I can,
favorite.
yeah. So just went there, sat with them, like just sat without any messages, just being, sensing them and feeling them. So thank you so much. I was so like longing to meet them. Like I've been connecting to beings of light, but golden light has been not that close lately, at least for a month. So yeah, thank you.
Okay. You're welcome.
Payal, how are you feeling now? Because I know you started saying that you began with a little heavier energies dealing with the lost souls. How are you feeling now, Payal, after Shweta's meditation?
It's really, really better. As if Sweta started, actually, I felt Brahmaji next to me and he was communicating to me. I just felt it, and a message came to me, the place where I'm sitting. So, a message came that somebody over in this place died 50 years back, and that person energy is still here. So, he want my help to clean this all home aura, this land aura, to clean it. Then all of after that message, I had a horrifying pain in my feet, right feet. Because of that, I was in a meditative state, but it was like this: my laptop fall down and I was trying to open my leg, but it was not like this. I was opening my eyes, it was like all of automatically the pain went so bad to me. I couldn't sit for a second in that pain. I automatically opened my leg, then I got ease. Then at a moment of ease, I find 4 layers of archangels, angels, higher beings, gods at my head. And they were completely filling in one whole light in my whole system. And as if Sweta was saying, yeah, I'll finish it off. And they were saying, no, no, just wait. We are just finishing. We are at the top of you. Just let us finish it up. And it got finished.
Right.
And it was like tremendous for me.
Thank God.
Great.
Wonderful.
Thank you
So,
so much, Sweta.
yeah,
Oh, you're welcome.
yeah.
While I was doing this, I was giving out this meditation messages. I was feeling like I was floating somewhere. I couldn't feel my weight actually. I could see, like, the words weren't mine, they were said by somebody else through me. This meditation was guided by someone, not me, of course. And I was somewhere in a transition, like I wasn't in my body, I was floating somewhere. So it was quite an experience for me too at the same time.
That is what we have been doing. Basically, us three, and now Shweta, you have joined us today. We have been very spontaneous with our meditations and even with our sessions. Like sometimes we do decide what is the question to be asked to each other, but the answers we just let it flow on the spot. It's like impromptu. So it's like we don't use too much of our logical, analytical, knowledgeable mind, a human mind. We just let our energies flow in the form of words, be it meditation or be it even answering to the questions. So that is how we would keep continuing and prefer to be. And we are not here to make perfect sessions or to make it more, entertaining or visibility wise to, lure the public. We are just here to put out what we know, what we have been knowing. And we all felt that a platform like this, which reaches every human being all across the world, is where we need to actually now put out our messages. So whoever wants to pick up those messages, which are also energies, they will pick it up. I just wanted to add one more thing. Like the meditations which we do, and specifically, Shweta, today you helped us go through that meditation experience. Both Gurjot and Payal have very visual and even sensational experiences. Okay, so a lot of people who might be meditating might not have all those experiences, so they might feel like, oh my god, that means I didn't meditate, I didn't go into meditation, I didn't go deep enough. But my message for them is, hang on, I am with them, because I am a person who do not have any of these sensations. The only sense I have is either I'm very sensitive to energies around me, that is in the form of emotions and the people. And the other thing is I'm a claircognizant, meaning the universal energies flow through me. So what Payal and Gurjot actually sense, I have zero sense of it. So don't think that the meditation has not worked. It works in its way, with or without your awareness. So don't be disheartened if you didn't experience what Gurjot didn't experience or Payal didn't experience. I am with you in that experience. My sensations are totally cut. All I
That's right.
understand.
Because,
Yeah. You were
that's right.
saying?
Because the meditation works subconscious on your subconscious mind and not your conscious mind. So
Yes.
even if you think or you feel it didn't work on you, that's not true, because it has worked on your subconscious mind, on your subconscious level.
Yeah.
So definitely you see the changes in you eventually, but you may not feel the physical change that the other felt. It may not be the exact same change in you, but things, that doesn't mean that it didn't work. It still worked, but it has its own way of working out.
Wonderful. Thank you again, Shweta, for today's meditation.